Today we have the 2014 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just over 62,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, traffic reports, vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse we can see that it comes with park pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control, and if we press our mode button we can switch between our 4 different driving modes.